You finally saved your first $100. You open your brand new brokerage account, entirely ready to start building your future. And immediately, you freeze. Should you buy VOO or should you buy VTI? You go online for a quick answer, and instead, you are hit with a massive wall of financial jargon. You see people on Reddit, Twitter, and YouTube debating endlessly. One article claims the S&P 500 is the only wealth-building tool you will ever need. The next video warns that if you don't buy the total market, you are completely missing out on the next big wave of explosive growth. Suddenly, you are paralyzed. You haven't even bought your first share yet, and you already feel like you are about to make a massive mistake. But what if I told you that almost everyone online is overcomplicating this? What if I told you there is one hidden, undeniable mathematical secret about these two funds that makes this entire debate look a little bit ridiculous? Take a deep breath. You are in the exact right place. By the end of this episode, you are going to know exactly which one you should buy first. And I am going to reveal that secret so you can finally invest with absolute, zero-doubt confidence. Welcome back to Grow with Tony. I am Tony, and on this channel we talk about building wealth, upgrading your mindset, and taking control of your financial future, step by step. The VOO versus VTI debate is easily one of the most frequently asked questions I get. These are two of the most popular, most universally beloved investment funds on the planet. So today, we are settling it once and for all. We are going to rip open the hood, look at their hidden mechanics, and walk through real-world scenarios so you can take action today. And just a quick disclaimer, this is educational content, not personalized financial advice. I am here to give you the exact roadmap. You are the one driving the car. All right, let's start with the heavy hitter, VOO. What exactly is this massive financial machine? VOO is the ticker symbol for the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Vanguard, the company that created it, was founded by the legendary Jack Bogle, the man who actually invented the index fund. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, simply means it is a giant basket of stocks that you can buy and sell with a single click, just like a regular company's stock. But the real magic of VOO isn't the basket itself, it is what is hiding inside, the S&P 500. When you buy just one single share of VOO, you are buying a fractional slice of the 500 largest, most dominant, fiercely profitable companies in the United States. We are talking strictly about large-cap titans. But here is a detail most beginners completely miss. A company doesn't just get into the S&P 500 simply because it is huge. It is not an open door. It is an exclusive VIP club. There is an actual committee that decides who gets in, and their rules are ruthless. The company must be based in the US, its shares must be highly liquid, and most importantly, it must have reported positive, undeniable profits for 4 consecutive quarters. That means the S&P 500 has a built-in automatic quality filter. It brutally weeds out unproven, money-losing, highly speculative startups. When you hold VOO, you hold a roster of proven champions: Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Meta, Google. You own the infrastructure of the modern world. And the absolute best part? The cost! VOO's expense ratio is practically invisible, sitting at just 0.03%. That means for every $10,000 you invest, Vanguard charges you exactly $3 a year. $3 to manage a portfolio of the 500 greatest companies on Earth. Over a 30-year timeline, avoiding the 1% fees of traditional mutual funds will literally save you tens of thousands of dollars. VOO is an absolute powerhouse. But as dominant as VOO is, it has a massive, glaring blind spot. It ignores thousands of other companies. And that is exactly where our challenger steps into the ring. Enter VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. Notice that keyword, total. Instead of just tracking the top 500 heavyweights, VTI's goal is wildly ambitious. It tracks the performance of the entire investable United States stock market. When you buy VTI, you aren't just getting those massive large-cap giants. You are getting the mid-cap stocks, established medium-sized companies with massive runways for growth. And you are getting the small-cap stocks, the hungry, innovative, under-the-radar companies that might be highly risky, but could also become the next Amazon in 15 years. To put this sheer scale into perspective, VOO holds exactly 500 companies. VTI holds nearly 4,000. When you buy VTI, you are literally buying a piece of the entire American economic engine. If a tiny tech startup in a garage suddenly invents a revolutionary AI product and their stock skyrockets 1,000%, VOO completely misses out. But VTI captures that explosive growth immediately, long before that startup ever gets big enough to join the VIP club of the S&P 500. And the fee for owning thousands of more companies? Exactly the same, 0.03%. So, we have the top 500 elite giants versus the entire American economy of 4,000 companies. Which one actually makes you more money? If you put them head to head, who wins? This brings us to the ultimate secret, the piece of the puzzle that makes internet arguments completely pointless. The secret is this: VOO is already inside VTI. Let me explain the mechanics of how this actually works. Both of these funds are what we call market cap weighted. That means the bigger a company is, the larger percentage of the fund it takes up. Because Apple is worth trillions of dollars, it commands a massive chunk of the basket. Because a random small cap company is worth only $1 billion, it takes up a microscopic, barely visible fraction of the basket. Because VTI holds the total market, and because the top 500 companies are so mind-bogglingly massive, those 500 companies dictate almost everything. In fact, roughly 85% of VTI's entire weight consists of the exact same companies inside VOO. Think about that. If you invest $100 into VTI, $85 of your money is just buying VOO anyway. Only $15 is being sprinkled across the other 3,500 smaller companies. Think of it like a fruit salad. VOO is a massive bowl of just apples and bananas. VTI is that exact same bowl of apples and bananas, but someone tossed in a handful of blueberries. At the end of the day, you are eating a bowl of apples and bananas either way. Because of this massive 85% overlap, their historical returns are virtually identical. If you pull up a 30-year chart comparing VOO and VTI, the lines are glued together. They move like identical twins. They typically finish within 0.1 to 0.2% of each other per year. Sometimes VOO wins by a fraction of a hair. Sometimes VTI edges it out. But there are tiny, subtle behavioral differences you need to know about. Because VTI holds those thousands of smaller companies, it can be a tiny bit more volatile. During a brutal recession, smaller companies get hurt faster than giants with massive cash reserves, meaning VTI might drop a fraction of a percent lower. But coming out of a recession, small companies can explode with aggressive growth, meaning VTI might bounce back slightly harder. It is a microscopic trade-off between slight stability and slight growth potential. Now that you know the secret of the overlap, let's shatter a few toxic myths that are actively confusing beginners on the internet. Myth number 1. VTI holds 4,000 companies instead of 500, so it is mathematically immune to market crashes. Yes, VTI holds more companies, but remember the fruit salad? Because the bottom 3,000 companies make up only 15% of the money, they cannot save you if the giants fall. If the top 10 tech companies crash, both VOO and VTI are going to bleed out at the exact same time. Do not buy VTI thinking it is a magic shield against market volatility. Myth number 2. VOO is safer because it only holds big, proven companies. The reality is that sometimes the S&P 500 becomes dangerously top-heavy. Right now, a handful of massive tech companies completely dominate VOO. If the tech sector has a terrible decade, VOO suffers heavily. The small and mid-cap companies inside VTI, which operate in healthcare, industrials, and real estate, can actually provide a hidden safety net, balancing out the portfolio when big tech drops the ball. And myth number 3, if you pick the wrong one, your retirement is doomed. Let me be completely blunt. Choosing between VOO and VTI is like choosing between a Ferrari and a Lamborghini. One has a slightly different engine, but both are going to get you to financial freedom at blinding speed. The only way you lose is if you refuse to get in the car. Which brings us to the ultimate question, the reason you clicked on this episode. Which one should you buy first? If you are a complete beginner, sitting on the sidelines paralyzed by indecision, stop. Stop overthinking. Every single day your money sits in a checking account, inflation is quietly stealing your purchasing power. The compound interest clock is ticking, and time in the market is the only real edge you have. But I promised you a definitive answer, so here is your roadmap. If you value absolute, ruthless simplicity, and you strictly want to own the proven, dominant, cash-flowing titans of the global economy, buy VOO. It is the gold standard. It is the exact strategy Warren Buffett has instructed his own family to use. If you want peace of mind, If you want the comfort of knowing you own literally every investable public company in America, capturing every single massive tech boom and small business breakout, buy VTI. It is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it wealth builder. If you held my feet to the fire and forced me to pick just one for an absolute beginner opening their account today, I lean slightly toward VTI. Why? Because for the exact same invisible fee of 0.03%, you buy the entire haystack. You never have to worry about a company getting added or removed from the S&P 500 because you already own it all. But listen to me carefully. The fund you pick matters about 1%. Your behavior matters 99%. Consistently buying every single month, practicing dollar cost averaging, whether the market is at an all-time high or an all-time low, and refusing to panic sell during a recession? That is what makes you a millionaire. The habit builds the wealth. The fund is just the vehicle. Let's make this concrete with 3 rapid-fire, real-life scenarios. Scenario 1. A 22-year-old just got their first job investing $50 a week. What makes sense? VTI. They have a massive 40-year time horizon. They can easily ride out the volatility of smaller companies and capture decades of total market expansion. Scenario 2. A 35-year-old who loves stock picking. Their portfolio is full of crypto, Tesla, and high-risk tech. What do they need? VOO. They already have too much risk. VOO provides a massive, rock-solid anchor of profitable giants to stop their portfolio from flying off the rails. Scenario 3. You already own VTI, you've been buying it for 2 years. Should you add VOO to diversify? Absolutely not. Remember the secret? 85% of your VTI is already VOO. Adding VOO just creates redundant clutter. Keep your life incredibly simple. Stick to VTI and just keep buying more. We have covered a massive amount of ground today. Before we wrap up, let's lock in the 3 core takeaways you need to remember. Number 1, VOO is the elite VIP club of the 500 largest U.S. companies, while VTI is the entire U.S. economy of 4,000 companies. Number 2, despite the massive difference in numbers, their performance is nearly identical because they share an 85% overlap, and both charge the exact same practically zero fee. And number 3, while VOO is the legendary benchmark, VTI gets the slight edge for beginners for its ultimate total market coverage. But starting your investing habit today is infinitely more important than obsessing over which one to pick. Now, I am turning the mic over to you. I want you to jump into the comments right now and tell me, are you currently holding VOO, VTI, both, or are you just getting ready to buy your first share? I read every single comment, and I want to know where you are at on your journey. If this deep dive finally cleared up the confusion for you, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. It tells the algorithm this content is valuable, and it helps our community grow. By sticking with Grow with Tony, you are going to get actionable, zero-fluff strategies every single week to build your wealth. Thank you so much for investing your time with me today. Keep your head down, stay consistent, and I will see you in the next one.